Wally's School Adventure. Once upon a time, in a bustling town, there lived a young boy named Wally. Wally loved to play and have fun with his friends, but there was one thing he didn't like: going to school. "Mom, do I have to go to school today? I don't like it there." "Yes, Wally, school is important. You learn many new things and have fun activities too." Wally sighed, but agreed to go. When he arrived at school, his teacher, Mrs. Davis, greeted him with a smile. "Good morning, Wally. Today we have some exciting activities planned." "What kind of activities, Mrs. Davis?" "Well, today we have gym class, and after that we're going on a field trip to the aquarium." Wally's eyes lit up. He loved the aquarium. During gym class, Wally and his friends played tag and had a blast. Gym class is so much fun. After gym, Mrs. Davis took the class to the aquarium. Wally saw many amazing sea creatures, including jellyfish, seahorses, and even a giant octopus. "Wow! This is so cool! I'm glad you're enjoying it, Wally. Tomorrow we're going to the farm to learn about land animals." "Really? I can't wait!" The next day, Wally eagerly went to school. The trip to the farm was fantastic. He saw cows, chickens, and even got to ride a horse. "School is so much fun! I get to do different activities every day." Over the next few days, Wally enjoyed more school activities. He loved swimming in the pool, visiting the museum, and exploring Animal Land. He even made new friends during these adventures. "Mom, I love going to school now. There's always something exciting to do." "I'm so happy to hear that, Wally. School is a wonderful place to learn and have fun." From that day on, Wally never missed a day of school. He looked forward to all the new things he would discover and the fun activities he would do with his friends. "Let's go to school every day. It's the best place to be." And so, Wally went to school with a big smile on his face, ready for another adventure.